Good evening, this is Avni, your tech host back with all that is new in this emerging technology world. Adobe has officially released its Firefly generative AI feature, making it accessible to users across Adobe Creative Cloud, Adobe Express and Adobe Experience Cloud. The Firefly web application is available for free with limited functionality, offering a selection of text prompts and output formats for users. Adobe has also introduced Firefly for Enterprise, designed to assist businesses in generating AI content. The Firefly web application serves as a creative playground for users, enabling them to experiment with various text prompts to generate images, text, and other creative content. The Firefly engine generates context based on the user's provided text prompt. Adobe plans to make both Adobe Express Premium and the Firefly web application available as a part of a paid Creative Cloud subscription plan. While a free version of the Firefly web application will be available, it will offer limited functionality with fewer text prompts and output format options. OnePlus is providing a complimentary pair of the Nord Buds 2R true wireless earphones with every purchase of the OnePlusNord 3 5G in India. The Nord Buds 2R is an entry-level wireless earphone offering a battery life of over 40 hours. OnePlusNord 3 5G is available in two colors and two storage variants, priced at Rs 33,999 for the 8GB plus 128GB variant and Rs 37,999 for the 16GB plus 256GB variant. Nord Buds 2R feature 12.4mm dynamic drivers and offer up to 8 hours of battery life, with the charging case provided an additional 38 hours. The smartphone is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity of 9000 SoC with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. It boasts a 6.74-inch AMOLED display with a refresh rate of up to 120Hz and HDR10+ support. OnePlusNord 3 5G supports 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, GPS and USB Type-C connectivity. Google has granted early access to its conversational artificial intelligence software Gemini to select group of companies ahead of its official release. Gemini is designed to compete with OpenAI's ChatGPT 4 model and aims to assist software engineers in code writing and generating original images based on user requests. Google has increased its investment in generative AI this year, responding to OpenAI's launch of ChatGPT in the previous year. Gemini encompasses large language models that power chatbots, text summarization, and original chat generation. The software's availability to companies will be facilitated through Google Cloud Vertex AI service. Google has also introduced generative AI to its search tool for users in India and Japan, offering enterprise customers access to AI-powered tools for a monthly fee of $30. India's Cellular Operators Association of India (COAIDG) alleges that OTT platforms including Netflix, Amazon Prime, Z5 and Sony Live are using 5G networks without compensation. COAIDG claims that most data loading onto these networks is attributed to OTT players who are not contributing financially to the network providers. OTT platforms have a substantial user base in India, and the OTT market is projected to reach $12.5 billion by 2030, driven by improved networks, digital connectivity, and smartphones. Telcos, however, are facing financial challenges due to substantial capital expenditure on 5G network rollout. OTT players are advocating for a fair share of profits generated from the creation, maintenance, and operation of these networks. IndiGo, India's largest airline, plans to employ smartwatches to assess fatigue levels among its pilots. Pilots can volunteer for trials utilizing Thales fatigue management tool, with the collected data analyzed anonymously. The airline will conduct tests over next few months to evaluate pilot alertness levels using Thales fatigue management tool. The trial will not replace the existing fatigue risk management process, and pilots will continue to report fatigue based on self-assessment. India's aviation regulator is reviewing pilot fatigue data to determine where the regulations related to flight duty times or fatigue require modifications. The Motorola Edge 40 Neo, previously launched in the EMEA region, is scheduled to release in India on September 21. It succeeds the Motorola Edge 30 Neo, which featured a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset and 4020 mAh battery with 33-watt wired turbocharging. The phone runs on an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 7030 SoC with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 GB of uMCP inbuilt storage. It ships with Android 13 based MyUX OS and offers a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus display with a 144Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support. Camera capabilities include a 50-megapixel primary sensor with OIS support and a 13-megapixel sensor with an ultra-wide-angle lens. Connectivity options feature 5G, 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5, GPS, NFC and USB Type-C. The phone measures 159.63 mm by 71.99 mm by 7.89 mm and weighs 172 grams. Xbox and Bethesda have acknowledged the deficiencies in their space exploration RPG Starfield. Players and publications criticized the game for lacking essential features such as brightness and contrast sliders, DLSS support on PC, and HDR calibration. Bethesda has released a hotfix addressing common issues and bugs, with plans to introduce highly requested features soon. Upcoming features include brightness and contrast controls, an HDR calibration menu, an FOV slider, NVIDIA DLSS support for PC, and 32:9 ultra-wide monitor support for PC. Bethesda is also working on bringing built-in mod support to all platforms, similar to Skyrim and Fallout 4. This is Avni signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest technology news.
स्कैम 2003 जैसे हर्षद मेहता का स्कैम था। इस सीरीज के बारे में बात करते हैं जिसमें अब्दुल करीम तेलगी की पूरी ये सीरीज से हमें पता चलता है कि कैसे एक फ्रूट सेलर बना है इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा स्कैमर। उसने फ्रूट सेलिंग का काम बंद कर दिया और वो मुंबई चला गया। मुंबई में उसने ट्रैवल एजेंसी खोली और वो लोगों को कल बेचता था। ये चीज बहुत जल्दी पुलिस के सामने आ गई और उसे जेल में डाल दिया गया। उसकी वहां पे मुलाकात हुई राम रतन सोनी से। उसने आइडिया दी स्टैम्प पेपर के स्कैम के बारे में, बताया कि ये फैक्ट्री, आप इस फैक्ट्री को ले लोगे तो यहाँ पे आप इतने सारे प्रोडक्शन हाउस बना सकते हो। पूरे 30,000 करोड़ का स्कैम कर दिया। ये 30,000 करोड़ का स्कैम है। जब ये सामने आया तो 2001 में इनको जेल हो गई। इनकी जेल होने के बाद 2017 तक ये जेल के अंदर थे, उनकी डेथ हो गई वहाँ पे और ये सीरीज बाहर आ गई। तो आपको भी कैसी लगी सीरीज जरूर कमेंट करके बताइएगा। और जिन लोगों को स्कैम 2003 के बारे में शॉर्ट में जानना है तो इस वीडियो इनके साथ जरूर शेयर करिएगा। मिलते हैं नई वीडियो के साथ। फॉलो IT शॉर्ट्स फॉर मोर।